gonna go to Brussels today. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go to Brussels today with a friend, and the weather is terrible. Like, it stopped snowing, but it started raining. Like, it's just rain today, but we're gonna do the best. I'm so excited. I've never been to Brussels. I've been to Antwerp in Belgium, but not really other cities. And I'm really excited because it's only 2 hours by bus from Maastricht. So we need to do it before the master stress starts. And it's getting real, guys. I'm so scared. Like, next week I have to write 3,000 words. I have to start my research for my research proposal because I have to upload it next week. So I'm gonna be stressed. So today is gonna be fun. I'm gonna go with a friend, Elli. She also studies in Maastricht. And we haven't really made a plan yet what we want to see, but I think we're just gonna make it in a bus because we have 2 hours. Gonna be a bit complicated food-wise for me because I'm still doing the gut diet. The video comes next week for that, so stay tuned. I'm only day 5, but I think I see a difference in my skin already, but stay tuned if you want to know how this gut reset challenge changes my skin, and if it's worth it to cut out so many foods. Because it's hard, I'm honest with you, it's hard. I was thinking about packing some gluten-free bread in my bag because I'm not sure what I'm be able to eat today, and I definitely don't want to starve. So I thought we could just pack my bag together for today. So most importantly, obviously, my wallet needs to go, and some gum. There's only 2. This pen, I don't need this one. Then I also always have in my bag some kind of lip balm or lip gloss, also really important. And I think I need my charger because we're gonna be on the road the whole day, and maybe then on the way back from bus I need to charge my phone. Also my headphones because I'm going back alone. Elli stays in Brussels with her boyfriend, he lives there. So yeah. Oh, my book. I'm reading currently, I showed you in the January reset video, I showed you that I'm reading this book series, and this is book 4, and I really enjoy it so far. So I'm gonna take this with me and maybe finish it on the way home. What else do we need? We need water. I need to fill this bottle up. Oh, an umbrella. That's really important. I think that's it. I hope. So yeah, let's go to Brussels! Regnet das noch? Wow! We made it! Ah. Okay, next stop is a cafe. A nut butter cafe. I'm excited. Yes! The weather sucks. This isn't really pretty, but yeah, the city will be better, I guess. Neue Bahn. So we made it into the city.
Yes, finally.
And this trip was really interesting. It was kind of creepy. Yeah, it was really creepy. There was a guy with like a mask, or what was that? Like,
yeah, like his face was just
covered.
fully masked.
Yeah, it was creepy. And then there were break dancers, and it looked like cheap New York or something like that. So yeah, that was fun.
What it's like to be in a bigger city.
Yeah, that's crazy. But this is nice here. Yeah, I like it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the cafe. Ah, so cute. We made it. Let's go. Okay, we've got the Elli.
Yes.
Coffee with peanut butter.
Smells good.
So good. Tastes really sweet though. That's really nice. It's really good. Yeah. Okay, the cafe was 10 out of 10. It was so good. And now we're gonna go to see the palace and go shopping. This looks a bit like Vienna. Right? Okay, we made it to a vegan friendly and gluten-free cafe. We will test this out. We're gonna take the soup to warm up. It's so cold, the weather is awful. So yeah, let's see.
I think it's the one of
Slay. Okay. Looks good. What is that? Knife. Okay.
It smells like
It smells
yogurt.
like normal bread.
Where did you find? Oh, here's the.
How much is that? Oh, it's not right. Oh, it's so
Is that the small one?
Oh, that's so thick.
Smells good though.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Good.
And it's warm.
Yeah, so good.
It's actually not.
That's for the bread.
Put the seeds in here. Like, what is this?
it was a different type of
It tastes like normal bread, but I just trust it.
I mean, they wrote. Yeah.
Real beer or like
Served with bread.
But when it says like gluten free,
Yeah, then.
well, from come. Okay guys, I just came back from Brussels. It's now 10:20 and honestly this trip back was horrible. I was so cold, like the weather was awful and I was waiting for my bus for like 40 minutes in the cold, and I was freezing. The bus was pretty fast. It took 2 hours, but it was also really cold there. Then I was in Maastricht and I just wanted to take the bus home because I was so cold, and it said it comes in 10 minutes. It came in 20. And now I'm here. I took the hottest shower ever. Like literally, my skin, I can't see it anymore, but it was so red. And I'm heating up some dinner now and making some tea because I'm still fucking cold. It's snowing again. And I hope I don't get sick. Like, I have so much to do for uni, I can't get sick. So, hope for the best. But still, it was a nice day. Brussels is really cool. And can recommend going there, but please in summer or spring, not in winter.